Coffee, music.
Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Rama, and if you're an OG, you already know the vibes, right? Finally, the day has come where your girl is packing her hospital bag. You know what this means, right? We are almost at the finish line. I always knew I wanted to film what's in my hospital bag video, because I think I've watched all the pack my hospital bags with me video on YouTube. So it's only fair that I film my own, because I wanted to know, and you know, as a first time mom, you really do not know what you're doing, and you also want to get it right. Okay, so let's get right into the video. Today I'm 36 weeks and 2 days or 3 days, I'm not so sure. So I know this is just the perfect time to pack it, because my energy keeps reducing and reducing and reducing, and I don't want to get to the point where it's time and my bags are not packed. So I want to pack it today, right? Yeah, so as you can see, this is what we are working with. This is the bag I got from Amazon. I filmed an unboxing video, so if you haven't seen it, you can check it out on my channel. I do not have an Amazon storefront, but I will work on that. But this one is for baby and this one is for mommy. So let's quickly look at what we have in baby's bag, and then we will look at what I have in my bag as well. Oh, the sun. I love the sun, but I hope it doesn't mess up my video. Hold on, let me adjust everything. Yes. Honestly, I love this bag. Like, I really love it. Aside the color, the design, and the fact that it's waterproof, it's just so like beautiful, so classy. Huh? The hospital gave me a list, but I added my own extras because there are some things that I feel I need, but it wasn't on the hospital list, and maybe they will provide, maybe they will not, and some of them too are not really necessary. But I just want to be prepared. Like, it's better to be prepared than not to be prepared. Like, if I take something and I don't use it, I just bring it back. Nail set, because I had babies, newborns, they come with very long nails, so I am ready. And then wipes in here. Like I said, I'll put the hospital list here. They didn't mention that you need to bring bed cloth, but I picked them just in case. We are staying ready. And then I got hats. They mentioned that I should bring hats, and love it. I also packed blankets, Canada weather, and then I have 3 mittens. Ooh, what else do I have? I don't know what happened to my microphone that it decided to give up on me, but 50 seconds from here it was muted. So I'm just going to insert this voice over here. So I got this cute headband from Shein, and I'm going to add like 4 or so, because I'm not sure which one will match with the onesie or the slipper should be wearing. And like I mentioned before, I want to take cute pictures of her at the hospital here. So, and I also packed some muslin blankets. I picked 2 of them because I don't intend to stay for that long at the hospital, and the hospital will also provide blankets. So, and the hospital mentioned that I should bring is it 2 sleepers, but I ended up picking like 4 or 5, just being extra. Yeah, I have another 0 to 3 months here. to be very honest, I wasn't about to leave anything to chance, because I'd rather have an item and not use it than not have it and then be needing it. Because I don't know if I mentioned in my vlogs, it's just me and my husband, and I would need him with me at the hospital. So I did not want to not pack something that I would need. So I went a little bit overboard with the packing, but it was all for the best. So pro tip that I can give you is better to overpack than to underpack. Same logic I apply anytime I'm going on a vacation. I'd rather have enough clothes than get there and not have anything cute to wear. I did not pack socks because the onesies like covers the foot, so there's no need for me to pack socks. And then I also got this baby announcer card. This one is optional. I got it from Amazon. So when baby is here, you write the name, the date, the time, the weight, the length, like all the details going into this. This will serve as a beautiful prop for her newborn pictures that I will take at the hospital to send to my family back home in Ghana. So yeah, I got this. Super cute. And then there's diapers. I don't have the diapers here because I'm taking like a whole pack of diaper. So basically that's all I'm packing for baby. Now let's get into what I'm packing for myself. One thing is that my hospital asks that you bring your own pillows because pillows at the hospitals are not so comfy. So I'll be taking my own pillow, and then I'll also be taking this nursing pillow because I plan to start breastfeeding at the hospital. Okay, yeah. And I also have my iPad with me for entertainment purposes, and then I'll have my water bottle as well because I need to stay hydrated. I have the nursing bra. This is 3 nursing bras. I don't even know why I've packed 3. I'll probably take only 2. And I have this 2 softener. Why can't I pronounce this thing? I have this 2 softener. I also got some socks to keep the feet comfortable. And over here I have my skincare, and here I have my makeup just in case. And I got these dark colored underwear for when things get messy. And then this as well. This was part of the list the hospital gave me, so there you go. I'll crop you out. And then I have this robe. I got white. I wasn't really thinking, but I don't want to stain this. But this is really bougie. Anytime I wear this robe at home, I feel like I'm at a spa or I'm at a hotel. So I'll definitely add it to my hospital stuff. Then I decided to add a thick robe. This one is from Victoria's Secret. Just in case it gets so cold and this robe does not do it for me, then I'll take this robe because this one is thicker. And I tend to get cold really easily. I have 2 robes and then I have 2 PJs. For the PJs, I have this simple one that I got from Win. I think I've showed you in my previous vlog. So this one, like really comfy. This one as well. It's white. Oops. When I'm about to leave, I'll just throw in my towel, my toothpaste, and my toothbrush, and my Alexa. I'll also be packing the Alexa because I love to listen to music, and then I'll also be playing white noise from the Alexa for my baby, because I let babies really sleep well with white noises. And my going out outfit, which I haven't decided yet, because the weather right now is a bit hot, but then I don't know how it's going to be that day. But I think I'll probably just wear one of the PJs home, because I don't think I want to dress up like that. So maybe I'll wear one of the PJs to come home if it's not so messy. But I'm still going to add a going out outfit. And I already know it's going to be like a bottom, something with bottom, like something not so crazy, just so that I'll feel comfortable. And what else? Yes, I'll also be adding some adult diapers. It's not here right now, but it's somewhere. Basically, that is all what I'm packing to the hospital. I feel like this video is all over the place, but if you need any questions on what to pack in your hospital bag, I think please leave it in the comment section down below, because most of the time I'm uploading this video, I've probably been to the hospital, had the baby, and experience, and I can boldly tell you what I used and what I didn't use, and what came in handy and what didn't come in handy. So yeah, that brings me to the end of the video. I am super tired. Please like, comment, subscribe. A pregnant woman filming for you, and you will still not like and comment. Why are you wicked? Why are you so wicked? Like and comment, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And don't forget your bonnet. I have this cute bonnet I got from Yanni Best. It's super comfortable, and it has these details right here. Oh my god. So yeah, don't forget your bonnet, okay? So because even though you are pushing and you are not comfortable, you still have to protect your hair and you have to look cute whilst at it. So get a cute bonnet and add it to your
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said